think it happens with all of us. You'll look in the mirror and there are things you just don't love, and it's okay. But we want to talk to a doctor who will just enhance those things. Dr. Ward is here, but he's also joined with one of his patients, Miss Teresa, who's looking fabulous 16 weeks out post-surgery.
That's right.
Welcome, welcome, you two.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, Dr. Ward, you pride yourself on not changing a person's look, just enhancing.
Right. So the face, you know, it's really our identity. When you look in the mirror, you expect to see Jenny looking back. So our job, I don't think, is to really change how somebody looks, but to enhance it, and specifically to enhance their eyes, enhance their smile. And as we age, things change. And how can we best maintain that and help you feel like yourself?
And the eyes, the lips, like you were saying, that's where people's eyes naturally go to when we first meet someone. So,
That's true.
Teresa, I've seen your before and afters.
Right.
The biggest thing I think, and what's so amazing, is that you still look like you. You just look like
Thank you.
Your smile and everything. You're just like, I feel better.
That's what I wanted, and when I found Dr. Ward, I wanted to look naturally like me, but as the sign of aging, I will be 55 in 2 months, I wanted someone that could help me just rejuvenate my looks and address the aging that started to bug me.
So what were the things that bugged you?
So the first thing was my eyes. I was, I guess genetically, I just had a lot of skin above my eyes that was actually impeding my vision. And I was like, oh, this is weird. And I went in to address that. And then when speaking to Dr. Ward, he goes, you're the perfect candidate. Because a lot of people think you have to be older to have a facelift.
Yeah.
And so he told me about some procedures that he could do and still make me still look just like me. So I did. You want to know what I did?
I want to hear it all.
Okay.
Tell us all.
So I did the brow lift.
Okay.
I am actually a stroke survivor too. So that was a big thing. He was trying to really take in consideration me.
Oh my gosh, amazing.
Yeah,
I'm
and
so happy you're here.
Yeah, exactly.
And you went like this, you said brow lift.
Brow lift
pointing to your
even,
head because he lifts and puts
he
it up
lift,
here.
There's two, what do you call those? Endotyne devices. And then he did the eyes, the upper and lower, which I feel like my eyes are just so open
They're
to the world,
sparkling.
like, oh my gosh, yes. And the other thing that he did that I highly recommend that I didn't realize is as we age, we lose volume, the fat. And so when you hear people taking out the fat, you're like, no, 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 you need it. And so he actually injected fat grafting into my cheeks.
Which means you took it from somewhere else. Where'd you take it
right
from?
Here,
Boom.
right here.
Smart.
And he put it in my lips, and I've never had that done, and it was amazing.
Did you do filler in her lips, or what did you? You did fat grafting?
Fat
What?
grafting to lips, yeah.
In your lips?
And it stays. It stays.
Okay, well that's brilliant.
Right?
And your lips don't look giant at all.
No, they're seriously.
They're perfect.
I cannot tell you how happy I am with what Dr. Ward's done. And then he also did the vertical lower facelift, and he just has his special techniques for things too. So even though I can't recommend enough going to someone who specializes in quality and safety. And so he did this because I had these little jowls things that were actually bothering me, and that was one of the things with my eyes. And then he did, I call him the neck tuck specialist, because he said it was like a tummy tuck but on my neck, so a neck lift. And he has these special things that he does. I mean, I don't know exactly, but I've never seen the results. And I was brave enough to show it on TikTok, you guys.
And on TV. You're showing it all. I'm so impressed. So good for you. You look incredible. Dr. Ward, you're amazing. I can speak from experience as well. So thank you for keeping us looking like us, just making us more confident and feel more fabulous. Thank you, Teresa. Thanks for sharing your story.
Thank you.
Scan this QR code and it will take you right to the website so that you can learn more and schedule a consultation.